Tired of uneven dough? Meet your baking power upgrade. Commercial-grade 900 baud motor crushes dense dough effortlessly every time. Planetary mixing action ensures no dry pockets. Perfect homogeneity. Reason 1. Unmatched power. Faster kneading. Shorter prep time. Touchscreen control with 6 speeds gives surgical precision every stage. Pulse function for those stubborn batches and controlled mixing bursts. Reason 2. Precision. Tailor speeds for dough, batter, or meringue. Massive 8QT bowl handles big family orders, parties, weekend baking. Bake cakes, pizzas, bread, 1 bowl, multiple family meals. Reason 3. Capacity. Save time. Bake larger batches effortlessly. Included stainless steel hook, whisk, and flat beater tackle everything. Dishwasher-safe accessories mean less cleanup, more time for flavor. One-touch tilt headlock safety and cuts power instantly. 6 suction cup feet keep the mixer steady on any surface. 190 RPM top speed delivers consistent kneading without overheating the motor. Pure copper commercial motor built for durability and long life. Adjustable height accommodates large bowls or smaller recipes with ease. Perfect for home bakers, large families, and baking enthusiasts alike. Seasoned pros love the power. Beginners appreciate the simple controls. Use slow speeds for kneading, medium for batter, high for whipping. Clean stainless bowl shines after dishwasher cycles, no scrubbing needed. Compact tilt design stores easily without sacrificing performance. Great gift for bakers who want professional results at home. Real-life test, pizza dough, brioche, and silky meringue. Flawless. Video tips. Start low. Increase speed gradually. Monitor consistency. Affordable commercial power for home kitchens without the restaurant price. Ready to upgrade your baking game? This mixer delivers results. Tap the link, grab yours, and start baking like a pro. Limited stock. Families and bakers are snapping these up. Order now for faster prep, bigger batches, and joyful baking. Remember, you will find these 5-stand mixer links in the description and comment section. And please subscribe and follow. Late-night bread dough stuck to bowl and motor overheated. Had to stop kneading, scrape, panic, ruin texture again. Old mixer screamed, rattled, and couldn't handle dense whole wheat. My crusts turned heavy. Batter uneven. Meringue collapsed every time. I wasted hours scraping edges and remixing by hand. Neighbors complained about noise. Late-night baking felt impossible. Searching online for a serious upgrade. No more compromises. I wanted durability, power, quietness, and professional results at home. Scrolled through reviews, videos, and endless underwhelming options. Then I found it. A stainless steel, pro-grade stand mixer. The product images showed a sleek brushed metal tilt head design. What caught my eye immediately was the 63-point planetary mixing. That single feature promised no more bowl scraping, flawless mixes. Also notice the stainless steel cladding for professional-grade durability everywhere. A pro-grade pure copper motor with advanced cooling sealed the deal. Claims of library quiet operation under 55 decibels sounded unbelievable. I ordered fast, excited to replace my noisy, weak mixer. Unboxed it. Heavy stainless housing, solid, instantly felt professional. Attached the whisk, dough hook, and beater. Premium non-stick coatings. The illuminated dial and ergonomic tilt head screamed quality and control. First test. Dense whole wheat dough. 500 to 1500 grosses load. Serious challenge. Motor spun smoothly without strain. Cooling kept temperature impressively low. Mixer stayed stable thanks to anti-slip base. Barely any vibration. 63-point mixing reached every corner. No more manual scraping needed. Batter came out velvety. Meringue peaked perfectly, fluffy and glossy. Noise stayed under 55 decibels. I barely noticed it running. Accessories perform flawlessly. Whisk best hand-washed for longevity. Stainless cladding resists scratches and keeps finish like new after usage. Pure copper motor delivered torque for heavy pizza and bread doughs. Advanced cooling increased lifespan, reducing overheating worries during long bakes. 10 plus speeds plus burst handled everything from meringue. The 6.5 QT bowl handled batches big enough for 6 people. Tilt head auto shut-off and secure lock made attachment changes effortless. Splash guard hatch let me add ingredients mid-mix without mess. Built-in egg white separator sped up meringue prep practically instantly. Dishwasher safe beater and hook saved cleanup time after big batches. This mixer turned frustrating nights into smooth, joyful baking sessions. No more overheating, scraping, or anxious halfway through baking pauses. Imagine a cafe producing consistent doughs without constant equipment anxiety. If you bake seriously, this is a professional upgrade you deserve. Are you ready to stop compromising and bake like a pro? Act fast. Limited stock for home bakers and small bakery owners. Click to upgrade your kitchen. Transform every recipe with confidence. Will you let mediocre gear hold back your baking ambitions? Remember, you will find these 5 stand mixer links in the description and comment section. And please subscribe and follow. You don't need commercial equipment to bake like a pro. Most think power equals size. Precision matters more for results. Hi, I'm a kitchen appliances specialist with years product experience. Home bakers struggle with inconsistent mixing and limited capacity. Hand mixers overwork. Small bowls force multiple batches. That's why I recommend the KitchenAid Classic K45 SS. Tilt head, 4.5 quart stainless steel bowl handles large batches. Mix up to 8 dozen cookies in one batch. Die-cast metal body delivers stability and long-lasting durability. Powerful planetary motor with 10 speeds for precise control. From stir to speed 8, whipping and kneading excel. Tilt head design gives easy bowl access. Add ingredients effortlessly. Lock the head in place for consistent hands-free mixing. The package includes flat beater, coated dough hook, 6-wire whip. The stainless bowl is dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Universal Power Hub accepts over 10 optional attachments. Make pasta, grind meat, spiralize vegetables, and even churn ice cream. 59 mixing touch points ensure thorough ingredient incorporation every rotation. Planetary mixing reaches bowl sides for uniform texture and rise. I tested cookie dough. Consistent crumb. Excellent gluten development. Cake batters were aerated evenly. Frostings became silken and smooth. Hands-off kneading produced reliable doughs without overheating the motor. Small cafes and serious home bakers will appreciate longevity. Onyx black finish blends professional looks with modern kitchens. Compact footprint fits countertops, but still handles meaningful volume. Practical included tools handle doughs, batters, and delicate creams. In short, durable, versatile, and precise. Ideal for home bakers. Try the KitchenAid Classic K45 SS and elevate baking today. Check attachments to expand capabilities for meals and desserts. Backed by proven build quality and a trusted brand legacy. Remember, you will find these 5 stand mixer links in the description and comment section. And please subscribe and follow. Ever tried kneading dough and lost 3 limbs? Me, I'll wing it. Dough. We disagree loudly. Mixer playlist? More like sad squeaky arm opera. Stop. There's a better way than elbow sweat. Introducing my secret weapon, KitchenAid Artisan Contour Silver. 5-quart bowl. Bake 9 dozen cookies, 0 panic. Tilt head lift. Dramatic reveal, no flour explosion today. 10 speeds. From gentle stir to whipped cloud mania. Planetary action mixes every nook like tiny tornadoes. Heavy-duty die-cast body, built tougher than your arguments. Pouring shield saves counter, dignity, and sauce stains. Universal hub. Turn it into grinder, pasta maker, empire. Included whisk, paddle, dough hook. 3 bake superheroes. Hosting. Shredded chicken in minutes. Applause guaranteed everywhere. 325 W motor hums like content creators editing videos. Over 20 colors. Match kitchen. Personality. Mood swings. Serious bakers love it. Neighbors will request cookies weekly. Tiny apartment, compact footprint, huge baking energy output. Wave goodbye to lumpy batter and unhappy cupcakes. Attachment club, over 10 options, endless culinary chaos. It's basically a kitchen Swiss Army knife, but louder. Mix, knead, whip, shred, do the whole menu. Cleaning. Bowl lifts off. Pour shield rinses. Life simplified. Durability test. Still spinning after 3 holiday seasons. Gift it. Newlyweds, bakers, anyone who loves carbs. Seriously, your cookie game levels up to legendary. Budget? Think lifelong appliance, not disposable single-use nonsense. Final truth. KitchenAid Artisan is my culinary cheating device. Click, buy, bake, flex. Send neighbor a cupcake apology. Warning, you might start hosting weekly bake battles. You will find the links for this stand mixer in the description and comment section. Please subscribe and follow the channel. Bake bigger, bake better. Professional results at home. Hosting friends? Make 9 dozen cookies in a single batch. Taco Tuesday? Shred chicken fast with optional attachments. Artisan 5-quart tilt-head mixer handles large and small batches. High-torque 325W motor delivers reliable, consistent planetary mixing action. 10 speeds give precise control from stir to whip. 59 touch points around the bowl ensure thorough ingredient incorporation. Durable all-metal die-cast body built to last decades. Tilt-head design lets you add ingredients easily, lock securely. Included pouring shield reduces splatter and simplifies messy pours. 5-quart stainless steel bowl with comfortable handle. Dishwasher safe. Mix up to 9 dozen cookies using the flat beater. Coated flat beater, coated dough hook, and 6-wire whip included. Universal Power Hub accepts over 10 optional hub-powered attachments. From pasta makers to grinders, expand your kitchen capabilities. Planetary mixing action reaches every corner of the bowl. 10-speed range handles everything. Folding, kneading, whipping, heavy doughs. Compact footprint fits countertops. Iconic artisan styling enhances kitchens. Model KSM150PS in blue velvet adds retro-inspired modern elegance. Powerful motor and 10 speeds save time and improve texture. Durable metal construction means years of reliable baking performance. Large bowl lets you entertain effortlessly, batch after batch. Attachment hub turns mixer into a multifunctional kitchen center. Consistent mixing at every speed produces predictable, repeatable results. Easy cleanup, dishwasher-safe bowl, and removable pouring shield components. Upgrade your kitchen with a tool that inspires creativity. Whether novice or pro, unlock faster, better baked goods. Choose Artisan 5-quart KSM150PS. Mix more, create more. Remember, you will find these 5-stand mixer links in the description and comment section. And please subscribe and follow.